Hi, thanks for checking out our channel here. This is just a little overview here of this unit, what we do. We're a repair place by trade is what we do. We work on all brands of electric fence boxes. There's all of our information, website, phone number, and email. And I do also work and sell the Gallagher low bars and scales, but we work on all brands of these things. Work on a lot of electric fence boxes of different brands, and we did become a dealer for both the Gallagher brand and this brand here. This is Power Wizard brand. It's a PW5000XD. It's a 5 output joule unit. It's a dual powered AC DC unit. We chose, as a repair guy, we been working on fence chargers for pushing close to 20 years, about 18, give or about 19 maybe years that we've been working on electric fence boxes. Been working on other electrical, mechanical type things for years, 20 years on some of the other stuff, but only the last like 2 or 3 months we looked into becoming a dealer for some different brands. And my wife said, well, if you're going to buy something, what would you want to buy? Or what do you like? I said, well, I like the Gallagher stuff myself. That seems to be pretty reliable stuff. They are kind of pricier units and brands, but overall the quality is top tier. We don't hardly ever see any newer Gallagher stuff come in. But we do, so I got on board Gallagher to sell their stuff, and my wife said, is there any other brand you want to try to talk to? I was like, well, Power Wizard seems to be pretty good. They're a little cheaper in price and seem to be pretty good. So we got in contact with them and able to sell their brand of electric fence boxes as well now too. So I wanted to do a video on this one. This is a PW5000XD. We worked on a plug-in Parmak unit for a guy, and the guy's like, well, I want to do another fence area, but I don't have any AC power out there, but I need a good jolt, some good joules out there on my fence. I was like, well, so I gave him some prices on some stuff, and he chose this one, the PW5000XD. And we just got it in. And he probably using it mostly on 12 volt, but he said if he wants to swap it around, put an AC, plug it in somewhere else, he has that option. And it comes with everything you need. It comes with the AC adapter, the plug into the wall. And it also comes with a set of alligator clips, for your 12 volt, black and red. Pretty compact unit. It's not very big. It's a little bit smaller than your hand, so it doesn't take up a lot of space on the shelf. It's got a couple different way to mount on the post or a wall or wherever you want to do it. You got a couple, 3 different like screw hole things there. You can line it up on there. Maybe draw a little dot on there with a marker. Pull this off, drill your holes, and then put some screws on there and mount on the wall. But I like Power Wizard. Some people don't, but I like them. I don't see any issues with them at all. Some people, I don't know, I guess it's with any brand, everybody's got their favorites and stuff, but I don't really have any ties to any brand. I mean, we can sell the Gallagher and we can sell this brand, but I chose them to sell them because I like the quality. The price is right. They're decent charger for the money. They carry some models carry a 2-year, like this one carries a 2-year warranty, and some of their other ones carry a 3-year. So it depends on which one you're buying, what kind of warranty time they give you. But the only thing warranty does not cover on something like this is water damage, which is not very common. You'd have to have it basically submerged in a flood or dropped in a bucket of water or puddle of water and let it sit there for a while before it soaked the water up. So water damage isn't covered. Mishandling, got knocked off the post and stepped on by a cow, ran over by a truck, stuff like that's not covered. But lightning and malfunctions of some sort, that sort of stuff's covered. And I think I've worked on one unit like this, and all that was wrong with it was the contact behind here, behind the screw had come loose. Resoldered it back on, and it went to working fine. So, but yeah, it has a couple different things you can do with it here. It has you can press the button 2 times to get full power, and it goes all the way. Has some red and green lights on here that light up for how strong your fence is. Then you can press and hold to check your battery, and it tells you how charged up your battery is. You can press it once to get half power, and it gives you about half the amount of joules. But like I said, this is 5 joule output, so it packs a pretty good punch. It'd be a good 5 to 6 joule or larger would be a good size unit for like goats and sheep. It says it does up to 75 miles or 500 acres, and I would guess that to be a single strand of cleaner fence. If you're going to do it, if you start doing multiple wires and maybe have a bunch of grass on the fence, you need to cut that down. I would say safely on a multi-wire fence, I would say a couple hundred acres would be an ideal unit of the size, maybe 250 on multi-wire, 2, 3, 4, 5 wire setup. You could do 200, 250 acres with this pretty easily. But single strand, you could probably do 500 acres with a single strand of cleaner fence. But I just want to show you guys this. So if you are interested in one, are interested in any other models that Power Wizard makes, or the Gallagher brand, we're an authorized dealer for them. 90% of the time I'm repairing stuff, and the other 10% of the time I'm either maybe selling a unit or selling somebody some parts to fix their own unit. But majority of what I do is repairs. So get a hold of us. You can call me at that number there. You can text me at the number. You can email me at fencerfixer816@gmail. And there's a website. That's all that we do. And there's our address right there. So all this stuff down here, the websites and everything, is down in the description below. We do have a Facebook page. If you go to facebook.com/fencerfixer, we're on Facebook as well. We get questions sent there to us sometimes on things, but be happy to help you out. So until next time, we'll see you guys later, and have a good day.